Didn't mean to slam it. How does this? I think you lift it up. Okay, lift it up. Oh my goodness. I mean, and it's level. Wow. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the SmallRig potato jet tripod, and I'm super excited because, yes, I have seen the videos. I've watched a ton of them. It's finally here. Let's do this. Knife in here. Time. Ducks in the background quacking away. Okay. First impressions of this part. The carrying case looks good. If you're anything like me, you don't really use a carrying case. But maybe that's part of the problem. Maybe that's why my old one broke. I need something that's gonna be more reliable, especially for the FX6 that I use. And yeah, all right, let's unzip this baby. Love that. Okay. Oh my. All right, it does look pretty cool. I'm not gonna front. Yeah, that there. It feels good. Overall, in my hands is heavier than I expected, actually. I always buy like whatever I can afford. And so I've been blessed to be able to afford this one this time, as opposed to like my newer, like $100 tripod that I've been using for quite some time. You know, it was a good tripod. It served me for that season. So this one I'm hoping will serve me for the next season. Inside of here, oh, it's a phone mount. All right, that's kind of cool. Handle feels good. I mean, yeah, feels like it has a pretty good grip on it. Like, it's, I mean, honestly, I'm pretty impressed. Didn't mean to slam it. How does this? I think you lift it up. Okay, lift it up. Oh my goodness. I mean, and it's level. Wow. And then so you need to go off. All right, guys, we'll go to the next spot. All right, but I mean, okay. So far I like it. Let's try throwing a plate on here, or an actual camera on it. So actually I'll sell on mine. Oh, I see. Let's try. I should have watched more videos on how to like use this thing, but okay. Here we go. So okay, here comes the brine. Let's get set up for ceremony. Jeez, everything feels loose on my actual rig now. Like, oh my goodness. Any question if the legs work great? I feel like I have a lot to learn about like just the system itself, because as you can see, I'm kind of struggling to keep it balanced in a way that feels right. I do feel, first impressions, I do feel like this wobble. I don't like that. That could be me, could be my rig. Okay, so I'm gonna read the manual. And again, overall, this looks pretty cool. I can't wait to use it on the shoots. That's all I have for you guys in this one. What I've recommended so far, yeah, it looks pretty good. But I need to use it more. Peace.